aning kukakong diya sa pinalip. Nanula ako so katong iyantre nga pasiran ang pinalip. Kung sira mo ka to, tingali, wala na himong si Krasya. So gusto na kong clarify from Tawag Mayor kung ano sa kumita po. Yeah, thank you for that. That was before the election. And during the time that I was there already, I already told that we need to close you if you are not going to do something. During the time, the reports that get to me is actually the smell. It's not the pile of garbage. So, well, of course, you're going to investigate that. In fact, if I investigate that nila. But look, you need also to find ways na imong cease and desist. I think it's a collaborative effort between the DMR. And aside from that, kung ako may decide, karoon na yun, at kung magsulat ko na ngayon, akong dismiss, asan na ko ipunta ng garbage? Right? There's no place for us to put the garbage right away. Diba? And, well, again, as what I've told you, I am about 200 days prayer, and if you're going to put the blame on me, that's fine. That's my responsibility. But then, no, we should have done something about it in 2024. Now, magiging na ito, umiin mo, nasagdan na sa danik. But, imong i-close ang landfill during the time, kasunod na prepare, wala na niya ang bag sa Manila na. Because I understand that there's no place for us to put the garbage. Kaya, ang dili na rin, kung hindi yung ma-close, kung ako, kaya kita mo dahil sa tanang garbage na 600 tons, so it's one. So, I think you should also understand that if you're going to do something, you need also to have a balancing act. Although I respect that idea, I could have closed that. But I cannot close that, considering that we have this problem. Kaya mga garbage na doon, so ginagamin natin po children. Ang umano ng mga garbage, pa 30 years, isa to sa ikaroon, of course ka, dahil hindi ka po namatay. Now, I don't like to, dwell on this right now, because premature kung parang ako, kayo makunod tayo resulta, hindi ko na nasaan ka, kaya wala mo be close. And then, that's your opinion. But for me, during the time, the proper time, must be atulong na daan ng space, ang sila, because again, there's no place for us to do that. Parang na ni Mr. Pre, hindi ko gusto kayo ibati sa mayor. Pero kung di mo tanawag, na nasira na doon, nag-landslide lang, ano nakita mo na, okay ka na din. Ano nakita mo na sa benefit? Ano ako nasira nito? Ano na po yung mayor? Kung bipurso ko na din mo city ko, dapat kumakit na before we believe in the city ko, istorya ng kakasawang mga iltips na temporarily ang pasira ng tinalim, ang ihatag sa na inyong basura, ang basura din na. Before, implementing the city ko, but my point there is, kung nilumikat ang city ko, hindi naman ito po. Pero kung ingon ka, gawat kay Kalabayan, ano ka doon ang kay Kalabayan sa sira na lang natin? So, wala ko kung isibati ni Mayor na. Pero ako na expression, kaya ako nakita din, since pagsubot ani, parang bigay ko, strong opposition ko, kailangan ko kasunod. Ang pangako sa binalay ko, busakan sa sunod, mula sa pagsubot pa na din, isupak na ito, ani, pagkaroon, labaw pa magdangan mamatay na amor sa mga silingan. So, kung nanimon ko, kung nakita ko po tani, na ikurso ang sityo, pakasyon niya sa opisina. Kaya nagpalikayan ang discretion. Pero kung yun na wala pa ma-ukili siya kahit mo, I don't know, iyan na nang ako na rin manifestation.
Mr. Chair, when did the Mayor go answer?
And that's the point. So, I cannot just answer because he continues to know what is good for him. I'm sorry, I cannot answer that.
Yeah. Mr. Chair, moving forward, I'd like to commend with all the initiatives, little things, just to raise the awareness, and then Mayor